Apologies, had a problem with the previous video and which didn't capture the actual click of the wrench, but now the lock nut is to torque, and what we need to do is stake it, and we're just going to use a punch. There you go, that's good enough. And now we're going to install the clutch lifter plate and the springs. So the clutch lifter plate faces this way out. Now we're going to gradually run these screws in using a speed wrench. Just a couple of turns. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and keep going until the screws seat. Okay, all the screws are bottomed out, and now we're going to torque them to, the manual provides a torque of, for a 6x1 flange bolt with a 10mm head. It's providing a torque of 9 pound-feet, and I'm going to use my inch-pound wrench, so I just multiply that by 12, so you get 108 pound-inches. Actually, I'm gonna run it up there in a couple of passes. So what I'm going to do first is maybe set it to 40 pound-inches. Now remember, these threads are dry, there's no oil on them. Okay, I'm going to take it to maybe 70. And final pass, 108. Certainly doesn't seem excessive. There's very little danger of these things backing out because there's a spring right behind it, so usually they always stay put.